Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you've been exploring sublimation printing, you might be wondering if your Epson EcoTank printer can be converted for sublimation use. Good news, it absolutely can. Epson EcoTank printers are one of the most popular choices for beginners and professionals looking to dive into sublimation because of their tank-based ink system. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to convert an Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation powerhouse. Let's get started. Step 1. Why choose an Epson EcoTank printer for sublimation? Epson EcoTank printers are ideal for sublimation because they use a tank-based ink system instead of traditional cartridges. This means you can easily swap out the standard ink for sublimation ink without any complex modifications. Plus, these printers use piezoelectric printheads, which are compatible with sublimation ink, unlike thermal printheads found in other brands. Step 2. Choosing the right Epson EcoTank model. Not all Epson EcoTank models are suitable for sublimation. Some popular choices include the Epson ET2800, ET2760, and ET15000. These models offer excellent print quality and ease of use, making them perfect for sublimation projects like custom mugs, t-shirts, and home decor. Before purchasing, ensure the model you select is compatible with sublimation ink. Step 3. Gather your materials. Here's what you'll need to get started. A new Epson EcoTank printer. It must not have been filled with standard ink. Sublimation ink compatible with EcoTank printers. Sublimation paper. A set of syringes for transferring the ink. Lint-free wipes or paper towels. Your computer and the correct printer drivers installed. Using a brand new printer is essential because once standard ink is added, it's difficult to fully remove, and it can interfere with the sublimation process. Step 4. Setting up the printer. Unbox your Epson EcoTank printer and follow the manufacturer's instructions to set it up. Do not add the ink that comes with the printer. Instead, proceed directly to filling the tanks with sublimation ink. Step 5. Filling the ink tanks. Use the syringes to carefully transfer sublimation ink into the printer's tanks. Each color, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, will need its own syringe to avoid cross-contamination. Slowly fill each tank to the recommended level, being careful not to overfill. Clean up any spills with a lint-free wipe. Step 6. Priming the printer. After filling the tanks, the printer needs to be primed to draw the sublimation ink into the printhead. Most Epson EcoTank printers have an automatic priming function you can activate through the control panel. Follow the instructions provided with your printer to complete this step. Step 7. Installing the printer driver. Install the printer driver software on your computer. You can find the latest version on Epson's official website. Configure the driver settings for sublimation printing by adjusting the paper type to Premium Presentation Paper Matte or similar and enabling high-quality print mode. Step 8. Testing your printer. Before diving into your first sublimation project, print a test page on sublimation paper to check for any color alignment issues. If the colors appear streaky or uneven, perform a nozzle check and clean the printhead if necessary. Step 9. Printing for sublimation. Now you're ready to print your designs. Always use sublimation paper and ensure your design is mirrored before printing. This is particularly important for text-based designs or logos. Once printed, allow the ink to dry completely before transferring the design to your chosen surface. Step 10. Transferring your design. Use a heat press to transfer your sublimation print onto your substrate. Follow the recommended time, temperature, and pressure settings for your specific material, whether it's fabric, ceramic, or metal. Once the press is complete, peel back the sublimation paper to reveal your vibrant design. Converting an Epson EcoTank printer for sublimation printing is a straightforward process that opens up endless creative possibilities. Whether you're crafting for personal use or starting a small business, your converted EcoTank printer will deliver vibrant, professional quality results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation tools and supplies where applicable. Visit my website for more tips and inspiration on sublimation printing. Link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your EcoTank conversion success stories in the comments. See you in the next video.